Here's how to get Robux back for deleted items in Roblox. First of all, you need to launch your web browser, then go to roblox.com and log into your account. Now from the home page, tap on this messages icon in the top right corner of your screen, which is between the people and the Robux icon. Go ahead and tap on that. And here you might get the message from Roblox, which is titled as Robux credit pending. Read the message and it will tell you if you're eligible for Robux back for an item you purchased and that can no longer be worn. Click on the agreement link in the message and press an I agree, and after a few days, you should get your Robux back. Another method you can do is you can contact the Roblox Support. So go to roblox.com/support, hit enter in your keyboard, and you'll be taken to a contact us form. Go ahead and enter your username, your first name, your email address, which is associated with your account. Also confirm the same email address in the next field. Go to the issue details section and select the device that you're having problem on. Then select the type of help category and select purchases using Robux. Select the sub-help category and tap on either website item or inexperience item. And then describe your issue in this box. Explain why you need a refund. For example, I need my Robux back for a deleted item. Then tap on continue, which is in the bottom of the screen highlighted in black color. And Robux will get back to you within 24 to 48 hours or 1 to 3 days and solve your problem. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.